बराह रास्त इस वक्त आपको दिखा रहे हैं जाम शोरों के मनाजिर। कैडेट कॉलेज पटारो की पासिंग आउट परेड है और इस वक्त बिलावल भुट्टो खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Demands more from its cadets than comfort allows. It teaches that excellence is not inherited, excuses are not entertained, and leadership is earned one discipline at a time. This institution also holds personal meaning for my family, as my father, President Asif Ali Zardari, once stood where you stand today. It is the education that he received here at Cadet College Pataro that allowed him the distinction to serve as the only civilian to have been elected to the office of president twice. It is the education that he received here that allowed him to experience both the ups and the downs of Pakistani politics. For while he has been elected president twice, he also has the distinct honor of having spent 13 and a half years as a political prisoner in Pakistan. And I'm sure it was the fortitude that he learned here at Cadet College Pataro that allowed him to endure some of the most testing times of his life. But this ceremony is not about history or heritage. It is about you and the future you are now entrusted with. Here you learned that discipline is not punishment. It is freedom. Freedom from chaos, freedom from doubt, and freedom to lead when others hesitate. The uniform you wore was never meant to elevate you above others. It was meant to remind you that leadership is heavier than privilege because it carries responsibility, accountability, and sacrifice. Today, Pakistan stands at a crossroads familiar to every generation before you. We face challenges, economic pressure, regional uncertainty, and a world changing faster than ever before. But let me say this with complete confidence. Pakistan has never lacked courage, Pakistan has never lacked resilience, and Pakistan has never failed when its people stood united. Recently, our armed forces once again demonstrated this truth. Through professionalism, preparedness, and unity of command, Pakistan defended its sovereignty and secured a clear military success. This victory was not merely tactical, it was moral. It reminded the world that Pakistan stands firm, disciplined, and resolute when tested. But let us remember something equally important. A nation's strength is not measured only by the power of its weapons, but by the strength of its character. The Pakistan of tomorrow will be built by those who choose integrity over shortcuts, service over self-interest, and courage over convenience. Some of you will go on to wear the uniform of our armed forces. Others will serve Pakistan in classrooms, laboratories, courtrooms, boardrooms, and public offices. Your paths may differ, but your duty does not. Whether you wear a uniform or a suit, remember this: service to Pakistan is not a career choice, it is a lifelong commitment. Pakistan does not suffer from a lack of talent. It suffers only when talent forgets its purpose. I urge you never to let success distance you from humility or ambition silence your conscience. Lead not with arrogance, but with example, not with noise, but with resolve. Sindh has always stood at the heart of Pakistan's story, a land of vision, sacrifice, and courage. And institutions like College Pataro ensure that Sindh continues to give this country leaders forged in discipline and guided by principle. As you march forward from this parade ground into life, carry these truths with you. When the path is unclear, choose integrity. When the pressure is heavy, rely on discipline. When the nation calls, answer with courage. May your actions honor your parents and teachers. May your leadership strengthen Pakistan. And may you always remember that the greatest title you will ever hold is servant to the people of Pakistan. Congratulations, cadets. May you serve Pakistan with honor, courage, and unwavering commitment. Pakistan Zindabad. I thank you.
जाम शोरो कैडेट पटारो की पासिंग आउट परेड बिलावल भुट्टो की जानिब से इस वक्त खिताब किया जा रहा था। उनकी जानिब से कहा गया कि ये एक बेहतरीन इदारा है, यहाँ पर मौजूद कोई अगर यूनिफॉर्म में है या नहीं है, लेकिन वो फिर भी अपने मुल्क के लिए सर्व करता है। क्लासरूम से लेकर और ऐवानों तक, अदलिया तक, तमाम ही लोग यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हैं। पाकिस्तान अपनी खुद मुख्तारी की हिफाजत करना जानता है। बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी की जानिब से ये कहा गया है। आपको ये बता दें कि इस हवाले से खबर ये थी कि कैडेट कॉलेज पटारो में यौम वालिदैन की ये 63वीं सालाना तकरीब है, जिसमें खिताब किया जा रहा था और बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी इस आने खुसूसी के तौर पर यहाँ पर शरीक।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।